Right, lads. How's it going? Hopefully better than it is for me and Hooks. We're about 18, 20 metres up, something like that, off the ground. We've got wet bricks and we just got caught out in a massive shower. Did we not, Hooks?
Yeah. Well done, this.
So, for already wet bit of work, it's now soaking wet. Any good? So there's be plenty of people jumping on this today, Hooks, won't there?
Yeah.
Telling me how crap I am.
Don't know what you're doing.
Well, I tell you what a mess.
No room.
It's all ended up with a bit of a mess. We've got this scaffold which is looks big enough and it ain't, is it, Hooks? Nuss had a fall, didn't he?
Go down the ladder.
He fell down the ladder with some bricks on his shoulder.
3 inches on the head.
He's got 4 cuts on his head. 1 from a bit of scaffold and 3 from individual bricks. Poor fucker. Yeah, well done, Nuss.
Been a good day, innit?
And it's only 9:10. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's all gone Pete Tong, mate. And spin round and show them the... That looks black to me on the camera.
It's down there while that block of flats. You can
That's
see the rain.
yeah, Southcliffe Towers, Eastbourne. Roger Moore used to live there. Yeah. Who's that?
Yeah.
He was Bond, wasn't he, in the 70s,
Oh,
early 80s. Bond.
there, did he?
Yeah, Bond, James Bond. You know him?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. It's about to start now, isn't it? Puggies. This is my my packing pug here. Look.
Enjoy it, man.
Yeah, it's fucking brilliant. What a life. It's not often I get this despondent on brickwork, but there you go. It'll work. Run out of pug. Run out of everything. There's mess everywhere, and I think we're going to get cock walloped. God, that looks shit over there, mate. I know.
See the downs now.
And what we got? We got a dirty old bag to cover it up with.
Oh, it's on. This here, Mike.
Yeah, well, there you go. We knew it was coming. Fuck. Flattens.
Oh,
Wet flattens. In the rain.
what?
Well done, Nuss.
He's going to get burner, isn't he?
He's gone to buy some gas for the burner. Because we ain't pointing this in a month of Sundays how wet it is. In fact, it's gonna. I think if this rain gets any harder, that's gonna start running big time because them bricks are wet.
Take it back down.
So this is another problem with lintels. Here it comes big time.
See that block of flats now, look.
Right, this is fucking marvellous. Here we go.
Yeah.
Hooks, what about picking that up you stood on?
Your pocket will sort it out, mate.
And that's with Cordex. We are. We're satched, didn't we?
Oh, turn the camera around. How do I turn that round?
No,
I want to see that face.
you fucked it up. I don't know. Yeah, well, there you go.
Side.
Look, guess what? That little fucking yellow bastard wants to come out now. What a miserable day, boys. Sunny Eastbourne, spec that is. Pug up.